Come on, gather round, everybody. Gather round. Come on, you too. Come on. I'm making another vintage recipe. Today I'm making rice batter pancakes. Sounds great. I've got a bowl and 3/4 cup of flour, all-purpose. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Teaspoon of salt. Mix those dry ingredients. Next comes a 1/2 cup of milk and a tablespoon of honey. Mix it up. Add an egg. A tablespoon of melted butter. Mix it up. And next comes the signature ingredient. 1 cup of cooked rice goes in that batter, and then you just mix it up. Don't over mix it though. Heat up that griddle. Let's get started. Flip it. It's encouraged to eat this with butter and a little sorghum, which I happen to have on hand. If you don't have sorghum, you can use maple syrup. Rice batter pancakes. I'm curious, rice in a pancake? Let's find out. Wow. It's a very fun flavor and texture. Smooth. I don't know, it's like a tapioca pudding pancake, kind of. And I love it. I love trying these recipes from the past. They're so fun, and a lot of times they're great. I wanted to include a picture of rice that I took, but I couldn't. It was too grainy.